This AI removes background noise perfectly. You know when you're recording a video and you've got some background noise or your audio is just not that great? Well, there's an AI tool that can fix all of that for you, and it sounds so good, like really, really good. So here's the deal. Let's say you're trying to record a voiceover for your YouTube video, but your mic isn't that great and you have a lot of background noise. You can upload that audio to Adobe Enhance, and it will come back crystal clear as if you recorded it in a professional studio. Or let's say you're trying to do a video with a friend over Zoom and the background noise is making it hard to hear anything. You can use this tool to clean up your audio and make it sound so much better. Or maybe you're trying to record a podcast and you don't have a fancy setup, but this AI tool can help you out. It uses artificial intelligence to remove background noise and enhance your audio. And the best part is, it's super easy to use. You just upload your audio file and in a few seconds it comes back sounding amazing. Now you might be wondering, how does this AI tool actually work? Well, it uses advanced algorithms to analyze the audio and identify background noise. Then it uses machine learning to remove that background noise and enhance the audio. And the results are truly amazing. The audio is crystal clear and it sounds like you recorded it in a professional studio. Now, I know what you're thinking. Does this AI tool cost a lot? Well, it's completely free to use. Yes, you heard that right. You can upload up to 3 audio files per day without paying anything. These AI hacks are so cool, and they're making it easier than ever for anyone to create professional-sounding audio. Whether you're a YouTuber, podcaster, musician, or just someone who wants to create high-quality audio, these AI hacks are definitely worth checking out. So go ahead and check them out. And while you're at it, make sure to follow 4 more AI hacks and tools that will make your life easier.